Hey, bro, where we at right now?
Ford. We're at Ford, bro.
We're at Honda dealer.
Oh, we got the leather seats too. I forgot to give me leather seats.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, look, I see a bag. Oh, and a burgundy.
Damn.
Well, do you guys have used ones?
Yes, I think so. We have a convertible. I don't know if you're looking for that.
No convertible.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
We're mostly here for this guy right here. I already have one.
Yeah, it says.
Yeah.
So that's where I kind of got like,
You guys wanna
oh man, I wanna.
Hey,
Yeah, eventually,
I
yeah.
don't know
I
about
mean,
the color match,
yeah,
he's
but
trying to,
yeah,
he's trying to join the V8.
yeah.
And is it because you saw his and you liked it?
Yeah, and then he picked me up once. It was a while ago, and yeah, we just went so fast. I was like, eh. And then I have a new car, but I think one's. Yeah.
So
I like those wheels. Pretty cool.
I believe.
They're like 19-inch.
Yeah, 19.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's one of the 2020s.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
No difference.
I know. What's the difference? It's just the year, right? Or
They did change it very
Very
slightly. Like not
Yeah.
too much, to be honest.
Yeah, because I have the 2019 GT. And
What color?
this color black.
Oh, black.
Yeah, it's parked over there. Yeah.
that's pretty cool.
I think we got one stick shift. Did you want stick shift or automatic?
No, automatic.
Automatic?
Yeah.
Looks like you get a Chevy. How about the white one? You don't like the white one, dude? That one does have the big screen.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, but not here.
Why'd you go in the back?
Oh, you're fine.
Here, you can just pass me that. I'll put it in the truck.
Oh my god. I've never sat in the back of my own car before, bro.
Yeah.
And usually there's no cars on the street, so you feel free to go a little faster if you want.
Man, she's letting you do the whole shebang, bro.
You gotta get the full effect,
Right,
you
like
know?
to know like
Yeah.
how it is and all that.
Hey, slow down a little bit, G.
Yeah, let them go.
Yeah. I like you. You're fun.
Yeah. I feel comfortable.
Give some gas, buddy. If you want, go to like the center of the street better. Because since you know cars are coming.
Thing and not know it's full power, you know what I mean?
All the way down, all the way down. Yeah, buddy.
And then you can, yeah, you just go back in there. And then you can just park it.
Oh, he's saying you go forward.
Cool.
Yeah, she was cool, bro.
She was bomb or what?
She was hella bomb.
You smash?
I smashed most definitely.
In the bathroom break or what?
In my car, what you mean?
Alright. Bob one.
But how was your test drive? How was your test drive in the Mustang?
It's pretty good, man. See, like when I first got my Honda, like, you know, cause I drove an 03, so like when I drove that, like the suspension was nice, everything was nice, like it went fast for me at the time, you know, cause I never tried anything faster. So I was like, settle with that, you know.
Yeah.
But it brought me little smiles. Mustang, dude. Like, I mean, I like the Camaros, but I don't know. I like the Mustang style better.